What's that sound? What's that sound? 안녕. 我哋而家去攞車，因為今日我要出去寄嘢，所以我哋要租架車搬啲嘢過去寄。So it's so how to say convenient. It's so convenient because you can rent the car whenever you want. Just want to tell you guys that it's so convenient because in Hong Kong we can't do such a thing like that. And then he keeps saying that don't tell them, don't have to. It's not for foreigner, but I think it's a little bit interesting.
A few moments later.
好，第一步就係要揾呢個 number 嘅車，喺呢個咁大嘅停車場入邊揾咯。What colour? White？ 呢層冇啊，我哋而家要落樓下啦。What's that sound? What's that sound? I finally knows that what's happening in the car park.
Wow.
I heard the sound and then I thought someone is trapped inside and I turned my back. Someone came out from the car. Horrible. That one, yeah, finally.
3 minutes left.
Quinton, now we can have a ramyeon.
라면?
3 minutes for the ramyeon.
아줌마.
要壓啫嘛。好啦，咁而家呢，我哋就要 unlock 架卡，就攞鎖匙。
First, we have to take picture because to check the any damage before I take the car.
Finish?
And finish.
And then now?
Sending photos now.
而家就會 send 翻啲相去個 company 嗰度。Why take so long? Century. 好不 angry.
A few moments later.
啊，我驚。
Then
And then
I will open the door by pressing this button. Then it will be open soon, like this.
俾大家睇下我哋架車啦。咁呢，而家我爸又要檢查一下入
I
邊。
need to check.
哦 냄새 나.
It's okay.
Stinky.
Thank you. 괜찮아. Any secret smells? No? Nothing?
No.
Okay.
Ready?
Then we go.
哇！嚇死我
Person sit back. Use it.
！I fasten。我哋而家咧就翻緊屋企嗰度攞嗰個我要寄嗰啲嘢先啦。
Go, go, go.
跟住講咗個笑料俾大家聽，我真係太大鄉嚟嘅完全。話説咧，之前咧有一次佢揸車去租架車啦，跟住之後咧我唔知原來係可以用個 Apps， 跟住之後去開門或者鎖門，我唔識呢啲嘢咁。跟住點知嗰日我係咁落車嘅時候，我就覺得奇怪，點解條友仔唔使鎖車嘅咧？我係咁問佢，我話你鎖咗車未？鎖咗車未？跟住好啦，佢話鎖咗。跟住咧。之後我哋就上車啦，跟住我就話死啦！我話你頭先係咪冇俾條鎖匙我？因為佢習慣咧屋企條鎖匙係會俾咗我嘅，但係佢冇俾條車匙我，跟住我就諗緊死啦！今次大鑊啦咁樣，跟住咁我就喺度諗緊死啦大鑊啦，唔見咗條車匙喎。跟住咧佢就好鬆容不迫咁樣啦，跟住佢就同我講不，跟住咔嚓，佢一撳個 apps， 跟住我話啊！why will become this？and then 佢就同我講佢話我哋鎖門開門都係用個 apps 嘅，乜你唔知嘅咩？勁大鄉你咯，嗰次真係攞爆完全。好啦，我哋而家翻屋企攞嘢先，拜拜。Now we are going to
FedEx office.
因為唉好煩啊！我總之 FedEx 嗰個要寄嘅嘢呢，我上網唔知點解開唔到 account 啊，跟住而家要去佢哋個 office 喺唐山站附近嗰度。好啦，我哋而家出發，出發。